Iqlas.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing good, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department. Just a feedback interview, Iqlas. We'll start up.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, before starting, first of all, congrats for your placement, Iqlas.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's been indeed
Yeah,
pleasure to be here.
yeah. Can you introduce about yourself?
Though you know about me, but the whole world needs to know what kind of institute I have jumped in, and also needs to know about my background. I am Muhammad here. I am 2011 pass out batch civil. I did my BE in civil from Bangalore Institute of Technology. After which I happened to have quite a few incidents because of which I did not get to pursue my career in the civil line, and during which I also happened to work in a few companies where I had to gain my experience, but that did not give me the satisfaction which I was expecting of what the bigger companies or mid-sized companies, contracting companies give you. And I wanted to improvise myself. And during this improvisation, I wanted to actually land up in search of an institute or an academy that could actually shape me, and polish my skills. That could bring that person out me, which was in within me for a long time. That could help me out. So during this search, I actually got to know about CMTI. So I got to know about CMTI from Google and Instagram after doing a lot of research and having a lot of chat over WhatsApp, and also coming and visiting the CMTI Institute, and having a talk with the Natarajan sir at the first place where he gave me, excuse me, where he understood my situation, and he guided me, telling CMTI is the right place for you to start your career in a new way than what I'm currently working as. I'm a working professional actually, and that helped me take the right step. And absolutely, what sir told was on spot. And I'm sitting here giving a feedback interview after getting placed in a MNC company, which they did not expect that would happen, with so much of ease. And that's absolutely because of this particular training institute. For this particular training institute from where I got this placement done.
Okay. Then, what and all you learned in CMTI, the courses, syllabus, and all?
I learned a lot actually. Not to just put it on the feedback interview. I'm just not portraying something on a. I'm portraying on a real basis. Me as a working professional, I know what is to be on site and learn, and what is to actually learn from the experienced staff. So the syllabus, what the CMTI had proposed in the first place, which still carries on. That is the sequence of construction, methodology, quantity surveying, AutoCAD. They help me in coming up with SketchUp softwares, MSP, Primavera. So there have been many such courses that I happen to learn than what I had learned during my BE. So what engineering did not do in the last 4 years, CMTI helped me doing it in not less than 40 days. So absolutely, I landed in the right place where I could learn not just about the syllabus, but the CMTI helped me to learn about what is time management, because I'm a working professional. For me to take out time from my working place and come and get myself trained under the supervision of experienced staff like Metrajan sir, Vamsi sir, Ram sir. So I'm thankful to each and every one, and also to the staff who's been like you and your department, who has been kept keeping an eye on every student, checking up if they have arrived on time, they have attended all the classes, and the responsibility was shared very well. So I not just learned from CMTI, but CMTI helped me learn few things that were missing in my career.
Okay. Then, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Oh, coming to the CMTI app, actually, what happened, since I'm a working professional, I can't be attend. I was not able to attend the whole set of classes, so I was lagging behind. So since I was lagging behind, I wanted to cover the syllabus that I was looking for. So I happened to speak to the department in regards to me covering on the syllabus. So they suggested me about the CMTI app, where this app has covered the complete syllabus online itself already, where I happened to use that app, and I it helped me cover my syllabus which I had missed. So I happened to match back to the classes that were running. I did not fall back or fall short of knowledge, and I did not go blank when I attended my next class after using the CMTI app. So it has been eco-friendly as well. So it's one kind of a great startup and an idea where people can use that app to gain their knowledge even without attending the class. If they are especially working professionals, this is a very good platform for a working professional. So I'm thankful for that as well.
Okay. Then how was the CMTA staff during the interview process and all? How was that coordination?
CMTI, the HR department was absolutely on the toes. On for They offered me quite a number of companies and job offers, so they kept on searching and hunting for me, like they did for everyone. They have been very responsible and keeping in touch with candidates so that they get placed in their desired companies. So I have been very thankful to the HR department as well, where they kept me in touch and they gave me the right position and the right company that I was looking for. So that's where it stands out as a CMTI being one of the best training institutes for me, where many training institutes come up with a schedule, and they come up with a syllabus, they come up with a training module, but they stood out in every department that I am blessed to be here for.
Okay. Then how was your interview process and all? How did you crack the interview?
My interview was quite a interesting one. The reason because I was guided by Natajan sir and Shweta madam. Natajan sir is the trainee for my because I went into a MNC company which deals with which has an industry of construction, and Natajan sir guided me what all I need to shape up before I go to an interview. What all basic knowledge I need to have to crack an interview. So Natajan sir helped me what all I need to brush up my skills before I attend an interview. Though, so he helped me in cracking the interview, and Shweta madam helped me in getting the desired company. So in the interview process, they asked me about my experience that I've been working for, and during which sir was the interview was very accommodative, and I had my interview, and they had the interview questions related to quality control and what is the role of a site engineer on the site, and what all the experiences I have learned over the period of time that I've worked for. So I happened to crack it well with the help of CMTI and its staff.
Okay. Like finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
What I could say is there was one we had a session with Ashok sir, where I had my classmates sitting along with me. So I like to say the same thing, that it's not that what the CMTI or any academy that teaches you, it's what you learn from the academy and what you get the beneficial from. See, and every academy stands out to give their best to the candidates who or the students who enroll into them. So it's on to the students of what they want to learn from CMTI and how they want to utilize it. So it is easy to blame any institute or anyone, but it is difficult to blame your own self because of your own shortcomings and because of your own interest, you'll end up somewhere else. So it is better you blame yourself than blaming someone else. So make sure you utilize your opportunity when you join in CMTI, and make sure you get the best out of it, because it's one platform which helped me uh, reach to a desired company that I was been looking for at a very good package, which is not easy to get. And I'm very blessed for this particular institute. I thank the whole institute, from Ashok sir to Anatajan sir to even you, ma'am, because you were keeping an eye. If you bought the laptop, if you bought everything, you made us shape us professional. So that is where it stands out. And that's what I want to convey the message to my juniors and my friends, that if you are hanging somewhere, then this is the right place for you to join. Not because I have studied here, not because I have got the job, but because what I have learned and what I've experienced. Then that is what matters. And that is what is very important for every candidate who wants to grow in life and achieve their goals. And I'm very thankful for that. And thank you. And I thank each and everyone to you, as well as the whole staff who has been on our back, who's been responsible. And that is what I want, and that's what I've learned, and that's what I want to give to my juniors and my friends who are hanging in and around. They should join CMTI as soon as possible to get their life destined in the right direction they want.
Yeah, that was a good feedback from your side, Iqlas.
Thank you,
Thanks
ma'am.
for your time. And once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Same here.
Iqlas.
Have a nice life. Bye bye.